Reddy from Mechanical Engineering. Today's subject is LAC. Find the Taylor series expansion of e power x about x equals to minus 1. Find the Taylor series expansion of f of x equals to e power x in power of x plus 1. Given f of x equals to e power x, a equals to minus 1, f of a equals to minus 1 equals to e power minus 1 equals to 1 by 3, f dash of x equals to e power x, a equals to minus 1, f dash of a equals to f dash of minus 1, that equals to e power minus 1 equals to 1 by e. F double dash of x equals to e power x, a equals to minus 1, f double dash of a equals to a double dash of minus 1, that equals to e power minus 1 equals to 1 by 3. F of triple dash of x equals to e power x, a equals to minus 1, f triple dash of a equals to f triple dash of minus 1, that equals to e power minus 1 equals to 1 by 3. By Taylor series expansion, f of x equals to f of a plus x minus a, f dash of a plus x minus a square by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus x minus a cube by 2 factorial f triple dash of a plus and so on e power x equals to f dash of minus 1 plus x plus 1 f dash of minus 1 plus x plus 1 square by 2 f double dash of minus 1 plus x plus 1 3 by 6 f triple dash of into minus 1 plus and so on e power x equals to 1 by 3 plus x plus 1 into 1 by e plus x plus 1 whole square by 2 into 1 by e plus x plus 1 whole cube by 6 into 1 by 3 plus e power x equals to 1 by 3 plus x plus 1 by e plus x plus 1 whole square by 2e plus x plus 1 whole cube by 6e. Write the Maclaurin series expansion of the following. First, f of x equals to e power x. Second, f of x equals to sin x. Third, f of x equals to cos x. Fourth, f of x equals to sin hx. Fifth, f of x equals to cos hx. First, f of x equals to e power x. The Maclaurin series of the expansion is f of x equals to f of 0 plus x by 1 factorial f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of 0 and so on. That is first equation. F of x equals to e power x, f of 0 equals to 1, f double dash of x equals to e power x, that equals to f double dash of 0 equals to 1, f single dash of x equals to e power x, that equals to f dash of 0 equals to 1, f triple dash of x equals to e power x, that equals to f triple dash of a equals to 1. Equation 1, e power x equals to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square by 2 factorial into 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial into 1 plus e power x equals to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. Second, from f of x equals to sin x, f of x equals to sin x equals to f of 0 equals to 0, f dash of x equals to cos x, that equals to f dash of 0 equals to 1, f double dash of x equals to minus sin x, that equals to f double dash of 0 equals to 0, f triple dash of x equals to minus cos x, that equals to f triple dash of 0 equals to minus 1, f 4 dash of x equals to sin x, f 4 dash of 0 equals to 0, f 5 dash of x cos x, f 5 0 equals to 1. From equation 1, sin x equals to 0.1 x by 1 factorial equals to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial into 0 minus 1 x cube by 3 factorial x minus 1 plus x4 by 4 factorial 0 plus x5 by 5 factorial into 1 plus sin x equals to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x5 by 5 factorial. If u equals to x square minus 2y, v equals to x plus y plus z, omega equals to x minus 2y plus 3z. Find sigma u v w by sigma xyz. Given u equals to x square minus 2y, v equals to x plus y plus z, omega equals to x minus 2y plus z 3z. Sigma u v w by sigma u xyz equals to ux uy uz by vx vy vz omega x omega y omega z. That is first equation. Ux equals to dou u by dou x equals to 2x, dou y equals to dou u by dou y equals to minus 2, dou u equals to 0, ux equals to dou v by dou x equals to 1, vy equals to 1, vz equals to 1, omega x equals to dou u w by dou x equals to 1, omega y equals to minus 2, omega z equals to 3. First equation, dou u v w by dou u x y z, that equals to factor 2x minus 2 0 1 1 1 1 minus 2 3, that equals to 2x into 3 plus 2 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 plus 0. Sigma u v w by sigma x y z equals to 10x plus 4. Change the order of integration and evaluate integral 0 to 4a integral x square by 4a dy by dx 2 root of ax. Solution. In the given integral of a fixed xy variable of x by 2 by 4a to 2 root ax and then x variable from o that to 4a, let us draw the curve y equals to x square by 4a and y equals to 2 root ax. That implies x square equals to 4ay and y equals to 4ax. The region of integral is the shaded region in the figure. The given integral is integral x equals to 0 4a y equals to x by 4a integral 2 root of ax dx. Change the order of integral. We must fix y first. From a fixed y equals to x variable, from y equals to 4a to root 4ay, and then y variable from 0 to 4a, hence the integral equation